Now let us see how to solve this question. If omega not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, omega is a cube root of unity. So you must know the results in cube root of unity. What are the cube roots of unity? 1 omega square. Omega is not a fixed value. When omega represent a cube root of unity, you have some results. Omega cube is equal to 1. And 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. And the value of omega is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. And the value of omega square is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. All these results are for omega. These results are, you can use these results only if omega represent cube root of unity. You know what are the cube roots of unity? 1 omega and omega square. Now let us see how to solve this question. Show that the roots of this equation are minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. Let us see how to solve this sum very easily. Z minus 1 the whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. It is a cubic equation, so you know it must have 3 roots. Take this 8 to that side. Z minus 1 the whole cube is equal to minus 8. To do it very easily, you bring this minus 8 down. Z minus 3 the whole cube by minus 8 equal to 1. This minus 8 can be written as minus 2 the whole cube. Minus 3 times it is minus 2 cube is 8. Now taking cube root. Taking cube roots. The 3 cancel, right? So you are getting Z minus 1 by minus 2 equal to, right side you take cube root. You know it is unity, right? Cube roots of unity, you know 1 omega square. I want to find Z. So what do you do? Multiply everything by minus 2. So you will get Z minus 1 is, multiply everything by minus 2. So minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into omega and minus 2 omega square. I want only Z. So adding 1 with every term. So Z is equal to, add 1 here, minus 1, add 1 here, 1 minus 2 omega, add 1 here, 1 minus 2 omega square. So this is the given equation. Take plus 8 to that side, minus 8. Bring it down, equal to 1 you are getting. Minus 8 is same as minus 2 the whole cube. Now you take cube roots. When you take cube roots, the 3 cancel. Z minus 1 by minus 2 is equal to cube roots of unity 1 omega square. Now from here you find Z. For that, first we don't want this minus 2. Multiply every term by minus 2. So Z minus 1 is minus 2 omega square. Now I want only Z. For that, adding 1 with every term. You will get minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega and 1 minus 2 omega square.